Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I wanted to show you how to do this really low, sort of messy, not perfect, low bun. It's pretty easy to do. You can do this on short hair, medium hair, long hair, and it's just pretty easy. This is, honestly, mom approved. It's one of those days, actually, not one of those days. It's like an everyday thing for me. You don't want to straighten your hair, curl it, whatever the case may be, but you also want to like have it a cute updo and make your hair look like sort of presentable, cute, however you want to say it, however you want to take it. This is the way to go. I love it. This is my signature mom hairstyle. So yes, if you want to know how I achieve it, which I don't use a lot of things, trust me you guys, I don't. Like, I just use hairspray and that's all I use. I get like these edges to like just stay on fleek, sorta, so my baby hairs like aren't looking like all wavy, it's just looking all straight. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you want to know how I achieve this low bun, just keep on watching. Okay, so to begin, you're going to need a comb, some hair ties, and a spoolie and hairspray. If not, you can use gel, but I'm going to use hairspray and I'll tell you why I don't want to use gel and just hairspray. So to begin, you just want to part your hair and make sure that you don't have any knots. Just push your hair down. So after brushing my hair, I'm going to use that spoolie, and for that I'm going to make sure that I part my hair and try to make a straight line if I can. If not, it's fine, you know, like it's okay, you won't die. So that's as good as it's gonna get. If you don't want to do that straight line, you can always go a little bit to the side. However you want, it's up to you. And I just like it like being in the middle. What I do is I use my middle finger as a guide. I use this line right here. I'm going to press it right here onto the line where it begins on the center of my head. Press it down and my finger is just going to go down, lay down flat to my head, and where my finger ends, to that point and back is where I'm going to brush it back. This hair to the side is just not gonna go back, it's just gonna go down side all the way to the back of your head. Now that you have your hair to the back, I have seen some people use gel to lay their hair flat to their head and it gives them like a little shine, but I feel like my hair already has that natural shine that I feel like if I put gel, it's gonna look maybe too oily, too greasy, so I'd rather skip the gel. If you want to do that, then that's up to you. I don't want my hair to look like so like stuck up to my head. I want it to be like not, how do I say it, not so to my head, like just a little bit, not like hardcore. I've also seen that they use the gel to fix up their edges and baby hairs, but for that I'm going to skip the gel. Again, I'm just going to use hairspray. The hairspray that I'm going to use is So Gorgeous Volumizing Shaping Spray. So because I do have a lot of baby hairs, my baby hairs give me like this wave that you can see right here, and I don't want that. I want it to like look straight as possible, like that. I'm going to apply some hairspray on that side, on the baby hair, and with that same spoolie, I'm going to use this side now. I'm going to brush it to make it look the way I want it to look, like straight. And I'm going to do the exact same thing to the other side. Make sure that those hairs are in place. Applying, I feel like for me, applying hairspray does not give me that shine, which is good for me. I like it not to be so shiny more than it already is naturally. So now that you have your edges straight, if you will, sort of, yeah, I'm going to pull my hair back, and with the brush I'm going to brush my hair towards the low ponytail, but I'm not going to touch the front part because it's already sprayed down, and if I do touch it, it's just going to mess up, and it's like, what's the point? So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go half the center of the head. I'm going to brush all that back half, like so. And I'm just going to tie it down with a tie. This is pretty long, so I'm just going to double that to make it look even shorter, and I'm going to tie it. So now that you have that done, I'm going to go in with another tie. Before that, I'm going to twist my hair. And you're gonna go over in a circle around where you had already tied it in the beginning. And if you need to twist your hair even more because you have it long, then you can do so. And then you can go in with that tie and tie it down. As you can see, I didn't have to use bobby pins because I hid my hair under the bun. But other than that, because my hair is so long, I do expect it to like kind of like fall, sort of. I do expect it to like to look the way it looks, if that makes sense. So if I look to the side, you'll see that I have like this little round right here, and then there's another one right here. But that's because of the many times that I had to go and twist my hair and do that circle thing around it. So, and that's that. It's pretty easy to do. Like, you don't have to do so much, and that's what I love about it. If I don't want to curl my hair, straighten it, or do anything, but also like want to have it like cute, I do this. Well, that's how I am able to do my bun, my little bun with my hair length. So yeah, that's that. It didn't come out perfect, which it's fine for me. I want it like to be so perfect. I want it to be like effortless and easy and like a little bit messy, which that's kind of like my look. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy watching this mini hair tutorial, and until then, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.